Now, question. Rahul starts on his journey at 5 p.m. at a constant speed so that he reaches his destination at 11 p.m. the same day. However, on his way, he stops for 20 minutes and after that increases his speed by 3 km per hour to reach on a time. If he had stopped for 10 minutes more, he would have had to increase his speed by 5 km per hour to reach on time. His initial speed in kilometer per hour. So let us first understand what this question is. Okay. Actually, this in this question, suppose this is a distance. Okay. And Rahul started at 5 p.m. And during the journey, somewhere he stopped for 20 minutes. So he has to reach at 11 p.m. So because of this, he stopped for 20 minutes. He will reach now at 11:20. Okay. To cope up this 20 minute, what he did, if his initial speed is x, then this distance, if he traveled with the x kilometer per hour initial speed, then he will reach 20 minutes late. So for this purpose, he increased his speed plus 3 kilometer. Okay. And now he is reaching at time 11 p.m. Okay. This is the first case. In second case, if he stopped here for a 30 minutes, it is given if he had stopped for 10 minutes more, means 20 plus 10, 30. Then he would have had to increase his speed by 5 kilometers. Then his increased speed will be x plus 5. Then he only would be able to reach here at 11 p.m. This is question. Okay. So for this question, like here, distance is this. This is the distance he traveled with increased speed. So suppose this distance is d, then d distance d speed is equal to distance upon time. So time is distance upon speed. Okay, distance upon its initial speed x minus distance upon x plus 3 is equal to 20 minutes. So divided by hours is to convert in hours. Okay, and in this scenario, uh, it is d by x minus d by x plus 5 is equal to 30 by 60 out. So these are two equations. By equating these two equations, we can get the value of x. Okay, so from equation number 1, this d is going to be x into x plus 3. And here x plus 3 minus x is equal to 1 by 3. And here d x into x plus 5, x plus 5 minus x, 1 by 2. So if I divide this by this, d and x will cancel. Okay. So it will be, first of all, cancel this, and this. So d into 3 by x plus 3 into d 5 by x plus 5 is equal to 1 by 3 by 1 by 2. So it is 2 by 3. So this d x cancel. Finally, it is 9 x plus 5 and 2 5 is 10 x plus 3. 9x, 10x, 10x minus 9x, 9 5 is 45, 10 3 is 30. X is coming 15 kilometer per hour. It is our answer. Now see the next questions. For a four-digit number greater than 1000, sum of the digits in the thousand, hundreds, and tenth place is 15, and sum of the digits in the hundred, tens, and unit place is 16. Also, the digit in the tenth place is 6 more than the digit in the unit place. The difference between the largest and the smallest possible value of the number. Suppose there is number n of four digit A, B, C, D. Number is greater than 1000. Sum of the digit thousand, hundred, and tens place is 50. So it is a unit tens, hundred, thousand. So thousand is A, hundred is B, and tens is C. A plus B plus C is equal to 15. And sum of the digit in the hundred, tens, and unit. Hundred, tens, and unit. B plus C plus D is equal to 60. Also, the digit in the tens place is C. It's 6 more than digits in the unit place. So C is equal to D plus 6. Then the difference between the largest and the smallest possible value of the number means largest minus smallest. It is our question. Okay. So from 1 and 2, it is very clear. B, if I subtract question number 1 from 2, then B and C cancels. So D minus A. So from 1 and 2, D minus A is 1. It means D is equal to A plus 1. Okay. Suppose it is fourth relations. Okay. Now in equation number 2, put C is equal to D plus 6. So here it is B. Let us take this B. And for C, I put D plus 6 plus D is equal to 60. Then B plus 2D is equal to 60 minus 6, 10. And now let us take the possible value of D. If I take D is 0, so 2 into 0, the right hand side is equal to 10, then B must be 10, which is not possible because A, B, C, D all are single digit numbers. Okay. Now take 1. If I take 1, D is equal to 1. Then it is 2. 2 1 is 2, then B is going to be 8. Okay. And if I take 2, then 2 to the 4, then it should be 6. If I take D is equal to 3, then 2 3 is 6, it must be 4. If I take 4, then 2 into 4, 8, it must be 2. If I take d is equal to 5, 2 5 is 10, so it must be 0. But we can take d is equal to 6. Because if I take d is equal to 6, then 2 into 6 plus b will be greater than 10, while it is only equal to 10. So further, uh, value of d bigger than 5 is not possible. So only the possible value of d are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and is on the basis of value of d, we can get the value of p. So let us check it. A, B, C, D is a number. Let us take first D is 1. If D is 1, then C is D plus 6. So C must be plus 6 means 7. And D is 1, B is 8. And D is A plus 1. D is A plus 1. So it is going to be 0. So it is not possible. Why? Because number must be greater than 1000. So it means this is not a possible and desirable case. Not desirable case. Because number is greater than 1000. So let us take its 2. If I take 2, then C is D plus 6. So 2 plus 6, 8. And B is, for 2, B is 6. So right here 6. And it is 1 because D is A plus 1. So 1682 greater than 1000. Yet this is a possible case. Okay, let us take D is equal to 3. If I take 3, then it is 3 plus 6, 9. And for 3, B is 4. It is 3, so this is going to 2. So it is greater than 1000. It is also possible. If I take D is equal to 4, then C must be D plus 6, 4 plus 6, 10. Now, it is not possible because it should be the value of C must be a single digit. N is a 4-digit number A, B, C, D. So it means further, if I take 5, this is 5 plus 6 is also going to 11. It means these two cases are not possible. So only two possible cases, 1682 and 2493. So this one, the first 1682 is the smallest and 2493 is the largest number. So here that answer is, it is 2493 minus 1682. 3 minus 2, 1. 9 minus 8, 1. And this 24 minus 16, 8. 811 is our answer. Now the next question is, for the real values x, the range of the function fx is equal to 2x minus 3 by 2x square plus 4x minus 6. This is our question. The range of this function is to be found out. Okay. So let us take this function of x is equal to y. Let y is equal to this function of then y is equal to 2x minus 3 over 2x square plus 4x minus 6. Cross multiplication is y 2x square plus 4xy minus 6y is equal to 2x minus 3. It is, we can write it x square y plus, if I bring here left hand side, then x take common 4y minus 2 and this minus 6y and plus 3 equal to 0. X square 2y and this is y 4x, it's right. 6y 2x minus 3, so inside minus 2x, x 4y minus 2, it's okay. And minus 6y plus 3, right. So now it is the quadratic equations and it is given for the real value of x. So for this quadratic equations, if the values are real, then discriminant must be greater than or equal to 0. Okay. So here ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So a is 2y. If I compare this equations with ax square plus bx plus c, then a is at 2y, coefficient of x square, and coefficient of x is b, it is 4y minus 2, and the constant c is minus 6y plus 3. For the real value of x, discriminant must be equal to 0 or greater than or equal to 0 means b square. It is b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0. So b is 4y minus 2 whole square minus 4. A is 2y. C is minus 6y plus 3 must be greater than or equal to 0. So we can take common here 2. Okay. If we take common 2, then this will be 2 whole square is 4 and this 4 can be cancelled out. So it will be here 2y minus 1 is square 4 minus this 4 into 2y and this I'm going to write 3 minus 6y greater than or equal to 0. So further we can take common 4. So finally we have 2y minus 1 square minus 2y 3 minus 6y greater than or equal to 0. And now this is inequalities can be solved. Okay, for getting the value of y. So let us take this 2y minus 1 whole square and this. So now here 2y minus 1 whole square and 2y 3y minus 1. So 2y minus 1 whole square is actually 4y square plus 1 minus 2 to the 4y. This is minus 2 to the 6y and minus plus 12y square. 12 plus 4, 16y square. This minus 10y and plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So here it is 16y square minus 8y minus 2y plus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So here you can take common 8y minus 1 minus 2 y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. So y minus 1 and 8y minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. So it means y is 2 by 8, 1 by 4, means it is 1. And here it is 2 by 8, means 1 by 4. So this is so it should be okay. It y square. No, 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 no. It is 2y. Just a minute. यहाँ पर एक गड़बड़ हो गई. This is this will be 8y 2y minus 1, and here it is minus 1 2y minus 1. Okay. So 2y minus 1 and 8y minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Y is equal to 1 by 2 and 1 by 8 greater than or equal to 0. So this is, and this is in between this, not possible. So solution is greater than or equal to 1 by 2, 0 to infinity, means like this. Okay, this and here less than 1 by 8 or equal to 1 by 8. So it is minus infinity to 1 by 8. The answer is 1. So it is easy question based on concept. Now the next question. The ratio of the number of coins in boxes A and B was 17:7. After 108 coins were shifted from box A to box B, this ratio became 37:20. The number of coins that needed to be shifted further from A to B to make this ratio 1:1. So in a boxes A, there are 17x, and in box B, let us take 7x. Okay, so number of coins in boxes A and B, the ratio 17:7. So let us take A. In box A, there are 17x coins, and here in B, 7x. So 100 coins shifted from box A to box B means 17x minus 108. And these shifted to box B, so here it becomes 7x plus 108. And now the new ratio is 37:20. Okay. Further, the number of coins that needed to be shifted further A to B so that ratio become 1:1 means if I take 17x minus 108 minus y, means y number of coins shifted from box A to box B. Then it becomes 1:1. So here we have to find the value of y. This is our question. So very simple question. Simply solve it from here. Little calculated. So okay. Let us change the ink. Okay. So here 17x in cross multiplication, 17x into 20, 17 to the 340. x, and this is minus 108 into 20. So this is 2160, 2860, 202. Okay. And here it is 37 into 7. So 37 into 7, 7 7 ja 49, and 7 3 ja 21 plus 4, 2, 5. So it is 2, 5, 9. 37 into 7x plus 37 into 108. 108 into 37. 7 8 is 56. 7 and 3 8 is 24 and 3. This is 6, 9, 7 to 9, 3. So it is 3996. Now 340x minus 259x. So it is 81. Okay. 41 and this 40. 81x. And here it is going to be 3996 plus 2160. 2160. 696, 15, 9 1 10, 1 11, 3 to the 6. It is 6156. So 81, and this is 6 11 tells 80% 9 divisible. So it divided. Divided by 81. You can use calculator also. So x is, if you use calculator, then it is coming 76. So x is 76. And now put this value x 76 here. Then it becomes 17 into 76 minus 108 minus y. It is 1 is to 1. So directly we can write this numerator is equal to denominator. So I would like to write it directly. This is equal to 7 into x calculated 76 plus 108 plus y. So solve it, and this way we will get the value of y. 17 into 76 and 7 into 76. So 17 into 76 minus 7 into 76 is going to 10 into 76. So okay, 10 into it is okay. Very simple. So this is this by let us 17 into 76 minus 7 into 76, 17 minus 7, 10, so 10 70 is 760. Minus 108, and here is minus 216. And this is equal to 2y. So further 760 minus 216. Okay, 2 be here. So it is 2 3 ja 6, 2 ja 380. And this is 108 y. So 380 minus 108, it is 2, and it is 7, and it is 1. 8 to 10, 718, and that is 272. So answer is y, 270. This is final answer. Means if 272 coins shifted from further A to B, the ratio will become 1:1. Next questions. Teams A, B, and C consist of 5, 8, and 10 members respectively, such that every member within a team is equally productive. Working separately, teams A, B, and C can complete a certain job in 40 hours, 50 hours, and 4 hours respectively. Okay. Two members from team A, three members from team B, and one member from team C together start the job. And the member from C leaves after 23 hours. The number of additional members from team B that would be required to replace the members from team C to finish the job in the next 1 hour. Okay. So let us understand first what is this question. Here, three teams, team A, team B, and team C. In team A, there are five members, five members, here eight members, and here 10 members. Working separately, team A and B, C can complete job. Team A can complete the job in 40 hours, and team B can complete in 50 hours, and team C can complete it in 4 hours. Okay. And further, two members from A team, two members, and from team B, three members from team B, and one member from C. They started work together. And the member from team C leaves after 23 hours. Means this team work for 23 hours, and then C leaves, means now only team A, team B, and plus more member from team B will finish the job in the next 1 hour. They work in 1 hour. So this is equal to full work. This is a question. So how many members means number of n. Number of members from B group, any value of n is answer of our question. I think this point is clear. Actually here, there are three teams, team A, team B, team C. In a team, there are five members, here are eight members, here are 10 members. And team A can finish a task alone in 40 hours, while B in 50 and C in 4 hours. This is a condition given here. Two members from team A, three members from team B, and one member from C started continuously for the 23 hours. But after 23 hours, one member from C, the member from team C, leaves, means the one member which was from team C leave the jobs, and then remaining work 1 hour में खत्म हो जाता है, and the number of the additional members from so team B से ही additional members कितने चाहिए जो कि इस बचे हुए काम को 1 hour में फिनिश कर देंगे. This is all about this question. Okay. So look here. 40 hours, 50 hours, 4 hours. So LCM of 40, 50, and 4 is a 400. Okay. So let full work is 400 work. So this 400 work, team A finished in 40 hours. Means team A every hour do 10 work. 10 work into 40 is 400 work. In a team, there are 5 members. So in team A, one member do 2 work every hour. From team B. Team B in 50 hours finished this full work 400 means every time 8 work. 50 into 8, 8 work. Team B finished 8 work every hour. This has to keep selecting it here. Every hour. And in a team B, there are 8 men. It means one man of team B do one work in 1 hour. And now team C. Team C finished 400 work in 4 hours. Means team C finishes 100 work every hour. There are 10 men, so it means one man from team C finished 10 work every hour. This is okay. So it is 100 Purja. This is okay, fine. And now 2 men from team A. So 2 into 2 plus 3 men from team B. 3, 1 man, 1 work. So 3 into 1W plus 1 man from team C, and team C, 1 man finishes 10 work. This combination went for 23 hours. Plus, in 1 hour, 2 men, so 2 men, 2 into 2 work. 3 men, plus. How many more work? How many more men from B groups? So suppose there are n men from B group and B 3M, 3W, B from B 1W. Is okay, because it is we already calculated that from team B, 1 man do one work in 1 hour. So in a 1 hour, it is given the number of the additional members from team B that would be required to replace the member from team C to finish the job in the next 1 hour. So in the next 1 hour, only 1 man from C, 1 man from team C uh, leave their job. So it means 2 men from team A and 3 men from team B is still present. And the question is, how many more men from team B? So यहाँ पर additional men are coming from team B. So suppose there are, so these 2 men and 3 men already present in this 1 hour. 2 men, 3 men plus more n men from team B. will finish the work. So this is going to equal to a complete work, 400 work. And this way we can find out the value of n. So 2 to the 4, 4, 3, 7, 7 and this 10. 10 plus 3, 13, 4, 17, 17 into 23. W we can take common and left hand side, right hand side, W is given. So it is going to be cancelled. So plus here 2 to the 4 and 3. 4, 4 plus 3, 7 work. And it is n is equal to 400. W cancel both sides. So now simple calculation 17 3 is 51. 17 2 is 34. 34 plus 5 391. 391 plus 7 plus n. 400, so it is 398. So 398 plus n is equal to 400, means n is equal to 2. So answer is 2. Now the next question is in a triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC equal to 12 centimeter and D is a point on side BC such that AD is equal to 8 centimeter. If AD is extended to a point E such that angle ACB equal to angle AEB, then the length in a centimeter of AE is. Okay, let us draw a figure. A, B, C. AB is equal to AC, 12 centimeters. And D is a point on BC such that AD is equal to 8. AD is extended. AE is extended such that ACB equal to AEB means ये एंगल जो बनेगा एंगल AEB both are equal to each other. This angle is equal to this. Then we have to find the length of A in centimeter. So length of AE in centimeter. Okay. It is 12 centimeter. This is also 12 centimeter. So in triangle ABC will be isosceles triangle. So if I take this, these two equal angles are theta, theta. So in triangle ABC, this angle will equal to this. Means this will also be a theta. Okay, look here. This point D is a point on side BC. AD is 8 given. So here we can take, if I take alpha, then this will be alpha, vertical opposite angle. Okay, it is theta, it is alpha. So this angle will be 180 minus alpha minus theta. Okay, and it is alpha. So here this angle will be 180 minus alpha. It is 180 minus alpha. It is a theta. Alpha is like exterior angle of triangle A, B, D. It is alpha. So the sum of angle A and angle B must be equal to alpha. So this will be alpha minus theta. Okay. Now see, if I take triangle ADB, triangle ADB and triangle ADB and triangle AEB. Then look here. In both triangle, angle A is common. Angle A of triangle ADB and of triangle AEB both are common. In triangle ADB, B is theta and here E is theta. So it is theta, theta. And here B, angle D is 180 minus alpha. And here in triangle AEB, angle B is this. So it is theta plus 180 minus theta plus theta cancels. So it is also 180 minus alpha. This angle is common. So definitely equal to each other. So this is going to be alpha minus theta. This will alpha minus theta. So I think now it is very clear to understand. Both these two triangles are equiangular triangle. These two triangles are equiangular. Equiangular means these two triangles are similar to each other. And when it's similar, then their corresponding sides ratio must be equal to each other. So in a triangle ADB, what is AB? AB is 12 and AD is 8. Here corresponding side AE and AB is AB. This is 12. So corresponding side AB upon AD of triangle ADB will equal to the AE over AB. So here AB is 12, AD is 8, and here AE and AB of triangle AEB also 12. So 4 2s are 4, 3s are 2, 6 jar. AE is 6 into 3, 18. And you have to find AE. So AE is 18. This is our answer. Next question. If fx is x square plus 3x into x square plus 3x plus 2, then sum of the all real roots of the equation square root of fx plus 1 is equal to 9701. Okay. So here fx is x square plus 3x x square plus 3x plus 2. Then all real roots of square root of function plus 1 is equal to 9701 is required. Okay, so let us put here the value of fx. But before it, do one thing. It is x square plus 3x, it is x square plus 3x plus 2. So let x square plus 3x is equal to a. So this fx is a into A plus. So let us put this value here. Then it becomes root of A, A plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 9701. And this is actually A square plus 2A plus 1. This is A plus 1 whole square. So it is A plus 1 whole square. 9701 means A plus 1 is equal to 9701. So this is A is equal to 9700. A is x square plus 3x. So it is x square plus 3x is equal to 9700. So this is x square plus 3x minus 9700 equal to 0. And now this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 would have a real roots when discriminant delta be greater than equal to 0. So it is b square minus 4ac must be greater than 0. So let us check it. If b is 3 square minus 4, a is 1 and c is minus 9700. So it is greater than equal. So all roots are real. Now we have to find the sum of the all real roots. So this quadratic equation would have two roots. And here x square plus 3x minus the sum of roots would equal to minus b upon a means minus 3 by. Answer is minus 3. Now the next question. The monthly sale of a product from January to April were 120, 130, 150 and 165 units respectively. The cost price of the product was rupees 240 per unit and a fixed mark price was used for the product in all the 4 months. Discount of 20%, 10%, 5% were given on the mark price per unit January per March respectively. Means no discount in month of April, while no discounts were given in April. If the total profit from January to April was rupee 138825, then the mark price per unit in the rupee was. Okay. So here the sale of the product from January to April is given. 120 products say sold in month of January. So suppose each unit mark price is M. So 120 into M and it is in January at a discount of 20%. So means at 80% it is sold. In Fab 135. 135 into M at 10% means at a 90% of mark price. plus 150 mark price M at 5% discount means at a 95% of the mark price it is sold. Plus 165 unit into M because no discounts were given in April. Okay, this is total sale minus total cost is equal to profit. So we can say this sale is equal to the total cost of 120, 135, 150 plus 165 into rupee 240 plus profit. Profit is 138825. So now we can find out value of M. So let us take common here. M 0, 0, 0. Okay, okay. M by 100, take common. And then it is 120 into 80. Okay. 120 into 80. 135 into 90 plus 150 into 95. And I took 100 common, so this we can take 165 into 100. Okay. Here 120, 135, 150 add 1, 2, 3, 4, 400 and 530 and okay 1, 1, 1, 1, 400. This 35 and 35, 130, 530, 530 and this 70. So 0, 5, 0, 5, 0 means 10, 2, 3, 5, 5, 10, 6, 17, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 570 into 240 plus 138825. Okay. Now calculator is given here. We can use calculator for the calculation. It is lengthy calculation. So here it is. This is coming 136,800 plus 138825. This is equal to 2, 7, 5, 6, 2, 5 into 2, and here the left hand side is 1050. So finally M will be 525. It is our answer. Now the next question. In a class of 150 students, 75 students chose physics, And 111 students chose mathematics and 40 students chemistry. All students choose at least one of the three subjects, and at least one student choose all the three subjects. The number of students who choose both physics and chemistry, is equal to the number of students who choose both chemistry and mathematics. And this is half the number of students who choose both physics and mathematics. The maximum possible number of students who choose physics but not mathematics. Okay. This question is based on a Venn diagram. Okay. So it is physics and chemistry like this. So here, physics, math, chemistry. So total students 150, physics 75, and 111 mathematics, and 40 students chemistry. All students choose at least one of the three subjects. Suppose it is A, B, C, and this is X, Y, W, and this is Z. And it is given at least one student choose all three subjects. Means Z is greater than or equal to 1. Total students 150, right? We can take A plus all this equal to 150. And for it is given more information here given here. The number of students who choose both physics and chemistry. Physics and chemistry X plus Z is equal to the number of students chemistry and mathematics Z plus W. Z plus W. So from here, it is very clear that X is equal to W. This is one. And further, this is half the number of students who choose both physics and mathematics. Physics and mathematics means Y plus Z. So first it is X equal to W. And this, suppose I take from here, X plus Z is equal to 1 by 2 y plus z. Then it becomes 2x plus 2z is equal to y plus z. So 2x plus z is equal to y. Okay. So one, this is, and it is. Hmm? So if I place the value of y and this here, ठीक? Like I would like to write y is equal ये y है यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ या इसको ऐसे भी लिखते हैं प्लस एक अलग से बना देते हैं सो आप कंफ्यूज नहीं होंगे सो यहाँ पे छोटा सा वेन डायग्राम बना देते हैं This so here A is A, इसको ऐसे रखते हैं, इसको B C और X Y is 2x plus z, y is 2x plus z और x is equal to w है, तो इसको x रहने देते हैं। हम्म, और w को भी x कर देते हैं, इसको x w पे x कर देते हैं, ये हो गया z। हम्म, अब आप देखिए, ये आराम से हो जाएगा। a टोटल स्टूडेंट्स 150, सो a प्लस b प्लस c, x x 2x plus 2 4x plus z plus z 2z. This is equal to 150, equation number 1. Okay, here it's a physics, 75 students. So here, ठीक से लिखना है, 75. So this is A plus 2x, x 3x plus 2z is equal to 75. And math, 111. So B plus 2x, x 3x and 2z. B plus x plus 2x, 3x plus 2z. Okay, it is 1, 1, 1. And here chemistry is 40. So here C plus 2x plus z. C 2x plus z is equal to 40. Equation number 2, 3, and 4. Okay. If I add 2, 3, and 4, then A plus B plus C plus 3x, 3x, 6x plus 2, 8x, and here 2 to 4 plus 5z is equal to 75 and 41, 25, and this 2 to 6. This is 5. Okay. If I subtract equation number 1 from equation number 5, then A, B, C means इससे 1 को subtract कर देते हैं. Now A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, C will cancel and 8x minus 4x will be 4x and 5z plus 2z. 5 minus 2z will be 3z and 2 to 6 minus 150 is 76. This is the equation. So we are reached here. And the question is the maximum possible value of maximum possible number of students who chose physics but not mathematics. Means A plus X. We have to find finally the value of A plus X maximum possible. This is This is to be found out. 4x plus 3z. It is given z is 1 or greater than 1. Okay. So if I take 4x plus 3z, z like this, I'm solving it. Okay. So 4x is equal to 76 minus 3z. So left hand side 4 into x, multiple of 4. This 76 is a multiple of 4. So the value of z must be 1 or greater than 1, right? But at same time, it should be a multiple of a 4. Okay. So for this, it's minimum it should be 4. If I take z is equal to 4, z is equal to 4, z is equal to 8, 4, 8 means the multiple of 4. Then left hand side, which is a multiple of 4, would be satisfied the equality. It is 4x multiple of 4, 76 4 into 19. So minus 3 into z, z should also be a multiple of 4. So minimum possible value of z is 4. Okay. Minimum possible value is 4 because z must be 1 or greater than 1. Okay. So z should be here, the multiple of 4. Again, I'm repeating. So listen. If I take z is equal to 4, then for z is equal to 4. 76 minus 3 into 4 means 12. Then 76 minus 12, 76 minus 12, 64. And then 4x, x is equal to 60. Means for z is equal to 4, x will be 60. Okay. इसको थोड़ा सा साफ तरीके से यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं. Z is equal to 4 and x is coming 60. Okay. So minimum value of z is possible 4, and when we take z is equal to 4, then x is coming 60. So here a plus x is in a is for getting a. If I put here the value of x and z in equation number 2. So in equation number 2, if I put this z come here to a plus 3 into x की जगह 16 plus 2 z means 4 is equal to 75. So 48 and 8 56. 75 minus 56 is 19. This is value of a. So it is a, this is z, it is x, right? Minimum value of z will be 4, and for z is equal to 4, we calculated from here that x is 16, and for z and x value, when we put in equation number 2, then we get the value of a 19. So now a plus x, a is 19 and x is 16 equal to 35 is a maximum value of maximum possible number of students who choose physics but not mathematics. So answer is 35. 5. Next question. The rate of water flow through three pipes A, B, and C are in a ratio 4 is to 9 is to 36. An empty tank can be filled up completely by pipe A in 15 hours. If all the three pipes are used simultaneously to fill up this empty tank, the time in minutes required to fill up the entire tank completely is nearest to. Okay. So here, the rate of water flow through three pipes A, B, C, the ratio is given 4 is to 9 is to 36. So rate of the water flow through pipe A, let us take 4K liter per hour. It is 4K liter per hour. Similarly, through B, it is 9K liter per hour. And C, 36K liter per hour. Okay, let us take the capacity of a tank. Capacity of a tank is 36 x liter. So A pipe, through pipe A, tank will be filled in 36x by 4K hours. And through the pipe B, it will be 36x by 9K. And C is 36x by 36. And it is given that an empty tank can be filled by pipe A in 15 hours. So this time should be equal to 15 hours. So 36x by 4 K is equal to 15. It is 9. So x by K is equal to 3, 5 jar, 3 jar means 5 by 3. So time of B will be 36 upon 9 into 5 by 3 in place of this x by 9. So it is 9, 4 means B ka 20 by 3 hours. And C will be here 5 by x upon 3 is 5 by 3. So this is 5 by 3 hours. So A will fill in 15 hours, B in 20 by 3 hours, C in 5 by 3 hours. So in 1 hour, A and B and C will fill the tank 1 upon 15 of the tank plus 1 upon 20 by 3 of the tank plus 1 upon 5 by 3 of the tank is equal to 64. 15 4 is 60, so it is a 4. 20 is 9. 12 is a 36. So this is equal to 49 by 60. So in 1 hour, A, B, C will fill 49 by 60 of the tank. So full tank will be filled in. For the full tank, the total time will be 1 upon 49 by 60 hours. So 60 by 49 hours is the answer, but here answer is in a minute required. So multiply it by 60 minute. This is coming 3600 by 49 minute, approx 73 point something minute. This is our answer.